Okay, continuing on with our lessons. So today we went over the new product tab, which is here. We went over this whole wizard. Then we went over AI Studio and Content Library. We went over the Idea Lab. So now we're gonna go over the Learning tab. So the Learning tab is not but like the videos that I'm creating now. I'm just adding them here from the back end. So they have some under like getting started. This is the ones, to go over the overview and like all these getting started, they're going to be in different categories. So the getting started ones will be into here. In community, I just added in this one. Um, this was a video that I had on YouTube. So I just put it in here. But if you click on any one of these, you get a description up here. And then I don't like the way that formatted, but that's formatted. But you get a description, then you get the video with the thumbnail, and then you can ask questions here. So like, when you ask the questions, that goes to me. I'm thinking about putting comments on it instead of questions. So, anybody can answer questions because, people might be able to answer faster than me. So I want to make this something similar to YouTube where we can just have like comments and stuff like that. But that's for a later update. But then like you can click to like see if you want to watch this one, it just changes to this video. So this is a short video and I just wanted to talk about the Learning tab. Anything that you probably want to know is going to be in this Learning tab, this Learn tab. And more videos are going to get added. Thank you.